Well, I've had a lot of people asking me about barbecuing using a smoker, so here you go. This is my offset smoker. Right now I'm running a little bit of apple wood, a little bit of maple. Got some charcoal in there as my base, and then I add my wood to add heat and flavor. It's just a pretty plain Jane smoker, nothing too fancy. I added 2 extra heat probes at grill height because, as you can see, the difference at the top of the chamber is 300. The hot side of the grate is running over 300, and then at the cooking side of my grate I'm about 225, 230. I'm doing a pork loin right now. As you can see, I've just put it on. I have the heat thermometer already in there, and that's it. We're going to let that go for a little while, and then we'll check on it a little bit later. Because if you're looking, you're not cooking. Well, here we are. We're about an hour in. You can see the smoker's still going here. Let's see what our meat temperature is. We're at about 94 degrees. Got our wood going nicely. Let's have a look and see. We got our grill temps. We're right around 250 at the cook side of the grill. See how our meat looks. Oh, I you can smell that. It's looking good. We're getting some good caramelization. It's nice and juicy. You can see that fat on the top starting to break down. Got a nice little plate of water in there, bubbling away. You can see the flame. And I don't want to keep that open too long, but it's a fairly cold day here in Orillia, Ontario. It's around +3, +4 degrees, so it's not too warm. That's about it. We'll come back out and check on it in a little while longer. And here we are. We're just over an hour in. I see our temperature's starting to drop. We're down to around 150 on the cooking side of the grill. And our internal temp, wait for the update. We're at about 116 degrees. Let's check on our meat. Oh yeah, big puff of smoke. Look at that, nice crust. Nice crust, look how juicy that is. Nice and juicy, see that juice? Beautiful. It's looking good. Got a nice bark on there. Let's adjust our wood. Got our wood going here. We'll adjust here. New piece in here burning. There we go. We'll see you in about another hour. Okay, here we are. It's the meat's reached the temperature I wanted. I like it to be at about 150 because when you let it rest, it's probably going to come up about another 10 degrees. Give me about 160, which is a nice medium on pork. As you can see, starting to snow outside here. So let's have a look. See how we made out. There we go. Beautiful bark on there. Beautiful piece of meat. Still nice and juicy. You can see that juice. Look at the juice in there. So nice and juicy. So we're going to take this off now, and then we're going to let it rest for a while. Okay, the meat's been resting for about an hour now, and as you can see, she's beautiful.